In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to Framer. We'll use Elfsight to generate a customizable Instagram widget, then embed it into your Framer site. By the end, you'll have a linked auto-updating feed on your page with just a small snippet of code. Start by heading to Elfsight. Once you're on the dashboard, open the catalog to browse available widgets. Look for Instagram feed and select it. You'll see a gallery of ready-made designs. Pick a template that matches your site's style. This saves time and gives you a solid starting point. When you've found the one you like, continue with that template to open the editor. In the editor, you can fine-tune the look and behavior of your feed. Adjust the layout, grid or slider style, spacing, number of posts, and colors to fit your brand. If you see options for post captions, buttons, or headers, toggle them to keep things clean and focused. If prompted, connect or specify the Instagram source so the feed can pull your content. Use the live preview to check responsiveness and make sure it feels right on both desktop and mobile. Small tweaks here, like reducing rows on mobile, can dramatically improve performance and readability. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish. On the pricing screen, choose the free plan if that suits your needs, then proceed. You'll land on an installation page with a code snippet. Click Copy Code. This snippet typically includes a script and a container div. It's all you need. Now, switch to your Framer project, open your site, then use the Insert panel. In the search field, type Embed to find the embed component. Drag and drop it onto your canvas where you want the feed to appear. Size it to your layout. Set the width to fill the parent and give it enough height so multiple posts can show comfortably. With the embed selected, switch its content type to HTML. Paste the Elfsight code snippet into the HTML field. As soon as you paste, the feed should load in the Framer preview. If it looks cramped, adjust the frame's height or tweak padding. You can also center it within a section or place it inside of a grid for better alignment. That's it. The Instagram feed is now integrated. If you don't see it immediately, try a site preview or a quick publish and ensure any ad blockers are disabled during testing. Keep your Elfsight settings consistent with your design and revisit the widget later if you want to update styling or content sources without changing your Framer setup.